Hi guys, this is One Unique Queen at oneuniquequeen.com, and I'm here for my unboxing of my VoxBox with Influencer. And this VoxBox is the Aveeno Active Naturals. Inside, I got, or what came in the box was a postcard that gives a little bit of information on Aveeno Active Naturals. And on the back side, it lists all of the other product lines that Aveeno has dealing with the Active Naturals line. And then inside I received, it's a face mask. It is pastel green colored. And then I got the Aveeno Active Naturals Positively Radiant Intensive Night Cream with vitamin B3. And the size is 1.7. Let me open this up here. We can take out the jar so you can see what it looks like, the jar. So it's tiny, but it is wonderful. I like this product. Then what it looks like, it's white creamy, and it's lightweight, and it's very silky, which is nice. So there you guys have it. This is my unboxing of my Aveeno Active Naturals VoxBox. Comment below and let me know if you've tried this and what your thoughts of this product is. And be sure to visit my blog at www.oneuniquequeen.com. Thank you. See you guys next time.